Alright guys, today we're going to be making Arby's beef and cheddar sandwich here on LCD. We're going to start by making the Arby sauce with some ketchup, some apple cider vinegar, a bit of salt, onion powder, and garlic powder, a couple of tablespoons of brown sugar, and a few tablespoons of filtered water. We're also going to add a few swigs of Tabasco sauce or hot sauce. We're just going to let it simmer for a few minutes until it's this consistency. And we're going to move into the cheese. A couple tablespoons of whole milk with a little bit of cornstarch. Whisk that together. And add in your cheese. I used a cup of shredded cheese, cheddar, and a couple of sliced cheese because that's what I had on hand. And you're just going to mix this. I added in some paprika and some onion powder. You're just going to mix it until it melts. And it looks a little bit like this. This is a very simple recipe. And it tastes so much like the real thing. For a bonus, I decided to fry up some Arby's fries that they sell in most grocery stores. Get your onion buns. Add a little Arby sauce. Roast beef that's just sliced very thinly from the deli. Add your cheese sauce. Arby sauce, and top with your onion bun. Fries on the side. Don't forget your ketchup. And there you guys have it. One of my favorites, the Arby's beef and cheddar sandwich.